What's going on, guys? It's Mike again. My son requested me to make a video of his, so I'll make a quick little video and show you his pop figures. I believe he has about 19 or so, so I'll just show you the ones that he has, and I guess just tell me what you guys think of it. Not bad for a 13-year-old. So I'll go here a little slowly. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. But here we go. Alright, it's the first shelf. Going up to the second. We got the Hulk Buster 2. We're still waiting for our Ant-Man Collector's Corp to come in, so it's taking a long time this time. I don't know why, but hopefully next week we should have it. So I ordered one for myself and ordered one for him. That's his comic books. He has more up here. We made that for him probably about 2 months ago. He has a couple keys on there that he likes. Also has a short box of some. So I got him collecting pretty early. And he has a couple more down here. So I believe he has, got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Not sure if he has any more coming on the way. That is the April Collector's Corpse. And you got Daredevil, Punisher. Great Netflix series, came for season 2. And I guess this is his Wall of Fame. And it keeps going up. Marvel Universe, when they came out here, that was a great show. Anti-Venom. Captain America, he's a Amazing Spider-Man fan, and Red Skull. I'll show you these guys again. Killer Croc. And Venom. And he drew Carnage. He also drew Venom, which I have in my office. So, here's his room. I'll do my room probably next video or so, my wife's collection. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the short video.